Hi everyone, today I will share how to add perspective text on road surface in Canva. I use YouTube thumbnail size here, and then I will go to element. I will add this road image, and then I will increase the size. Now we'll go to edit and click magic wrap, and then use click here and then click on this dead leaf and do it to the other dead leaf. And then click grab. Now it's separated. Now go to apps and then type and then choose type grab. Click this icon. I will type here 2025. I will change the font to Anton and then back. I will change the color to white. Scroll down and then I will click horizontal. I will increase the height like this and then click no mirror. I will move it to the same height and I will move it to the center and also this one, and then click horizontal and drag it to the center like this, and then scroll down, add element to design. Let's place it here, place in the center. Okay, and go to position, layers, and put it behind the leaves. Now reduce the transparency about 65 and then go to element and add this splatter. Place it here. Duplicate many times. And then select the background, go to edit, adjust. And I will go to saturation and reduce it like this. And then go to element and I will add this reduce to start running. Remove the background. I will reduce the size. I will place it here. And then I will add a drop shadow. Reduce the size and also reduce the transparency about 55. First, I will place it here and then duplicate and reduce the size. Duplicate again, place it here. Duplicate, place it here and reduce the size. And then go to position. I will select this last three drop shadow behind the woman. And then I will add a text. I will type here, I'm ready. Select all, change the font to zoom row bold, and then I will increase the size and reduce the transparency about 65 and go to position, send it behind the woman. So now you have it, a typography poster for the new year. See you next video and have fun with Canva.